Hello, welcome to our Early Learning SF video tutorial channel. We hope you find our videos helpful as we will show you how to navigate the Early Learning SF website using a computer or a mobile phone. For this video tutorial topic, we will show you how to fill out an Early Learning SF application using your computer. For the next section, you will go to the program criteria. Here, what you would want to do is provide us your preferences regarding the location in which you want to search for childcare and the type of program you're interested in. For the location, you may add up to 3 locations you wish to search for childcare in the city of San Francisco. You may search by address, by zip code, or by neighborhood. We encourage families to think of locations that would be convenient for them to search for childcare, whether that be near their home, work, sibling school, or if a family member or friend will support with the drop off and pickup, you can add their address. You would want to provide the address here and let us know what the distance you are interested in searching within that address. And you may decrease or increase the distance. Up above, there is a section that says, I only want these locations below. By clicking this box, that states that you want to specifically search within those parameters that you listed as your preferred locations. If you have it unchecked, you're letting us know that you're interested in finding childcare throughout San Francisco. Down below, you'll be asked if you have a preferred language that you want the provider to speak, and you may select all that applies. You will also be asked what type of program you're interested in, and these are the options that you have to select from. Please select all that applies. You then will be asked if you have a preferred start date. If you wish to find childcare within the next few months, we encourage families to leave the date as is from the day you actually applied on Early Learning SF. You will then let us know what your preferred schedule is for childcare. And if you have an ELS provider that you are interested in enrolling your child, please let us know by typing their name here, locating the school that you're interested, and click on it. And they will be added to your preferred program. Up above, there is a box that says, I only want the program below. By selecting this box, you're letting us know that you are only interested in enrolling your child at this specific site. If you leave it unchecked, you're letting us know that you're interested in this site, but you're also open to receiving any other offers from different sites. If you have multiple children that you're looking for childcare, please let us know if you want all children to be at one site. Once you are done, please click the box here that says I've read the disclaimer, and this disclaimer only lets you know that the information you've provided is kept confidential. Click agree, then you want to finish and submit your application. You will then see a summary of a potential fee that you as a family may contribute to. And the family fee is based on the family size and the family income. You will now be asked to create an account for the parent. You may create an account by using an email or a cell phone number. By default, your cell phone number will appear along with your first name and last name. You then want to create a password, and please note the password must be at least 8 to 16 characters, and it must include uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Please confirm your password, and once you're done, please click Create Account.